Hey, hi everybody, it's Carrie. Welcome back to my channel. It has been a long minute since I've made a video. I took some time off, mental health reasons, but I'm ready to jump back in the videos, changing up my channel a little bit. So I bought a few things from Amazon. Needed some spring summer items, so I thought I would share them with everyone. So this dress that I'm wearing is one of them. It is a wrap dress, a very pretty floral pattern with a blue background. Got little flutter sleeves in it. It does have a snap closure on the front, so nothing goes popping out. It has a hole back here around the seam area, and then you wrap the tie through and around and tie. You do want to double knot it because it is a polyester, so it has a kind of not a silky smooth texture, but your tie it does slip around, so you probably want to double knot it. Very pretty, very flowy, very feminine dress, very lightweight, so good for summer. Comes in a few other color choices and patterns, but I thought it was very cute. Okay, so this next one is one of my favorites. I love this pattern, the Boho pattern on it. Very soft and comfortable. Goes down to my feet, and it has pockets. I did get a size medium. They have a whole bunch of other colors and patterns, but I absolutely love this one. Super comfy, great for summertime. Don't have any shoes, just a barefoot day. Okay, so this one is they're calling it a bohemian flowy dress. It is a faux wrap dress. You've got your little tie, you can tie it in a bow, or you could just knot it. It's got these really pretty little ruffles in it, some flowy sleeves. Does need a lot of steaming. It came out of the package very wrinkled. This is the pretty dark green color. Comes in a lot of many choices. Again, I got a medium. Very flowy. It is 95% rayon and 5% spandex. It is comfortable and very light. Again, very pretty. The tie is separate, so it's just one piece. Again, a faux wrap, but you can just knot it and have it hanging down. You can tie it in a bow as well. Very cute, very feminine as well. So this one is the t-shirt dress in a very pretty wine color. Very simple. It's got pockets in it. You've got your little tie waist that is attached to the sides. Very comfortable. Pretty simple dress, but you could dress it up or just wear it casually. It is a rayon and polyester blend. It does have stretch to it, very comfortable. And this one is a size medium. It does come in a lot of other colors. Okay, so the last items I got are these pants. These are the Oceanside pants. They are a linen blend. They are low rise. They have a little rope belt, and they are pretty comfortable. If you like the low rise pants, I did get a medium. They've got nice pockets on them. We just got back from the beach a couple weeks ago. These would have been nice to have then. They are on the longer side. So this top, I love it. It is the twist front tunic top. That's what they are calling it, in this pretty gray blue color. Has the twisted front, and then it has the seam down the middle. I did get a size medium. The sleeves do kind of go up at an angle. Very pretty, very comfortable. It says that it is rayon and then some other fibers. They're not specified, but it's very cute. They have tons of colors. Very comfortable, casual, but a little fun with the twist on the front. So that is my clothing haul video that I got off of Amazon. If you're interested in anything, I'll leave the links down below in the description. Thank you for watching my first clothing haul video, and have a great day.